In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post in Sprout Social. If you've drafted a post and want to refine the copy, update an image, or adjust your timing, Sprout Social makes it quick and straightforward. We'll move through the essential flow from finding your draft to polishing it in the editor and deciding whether to save it for later or put it on the schedule. Start by heading to the Publishing section. You'll see this in the main navigation, typically on the left side of your Sprout Social dashboard. Inside Publishing, look for the Draft area. This is where all your in-progress posts are stored. If your team works across multiple profiles or networks, it can help to use filters to narrow down the list by profile, network, or tags so you can spot the right draft faster. You can also sort by last updated to bring your most recent work to the top. Once you've found the draft you want to change, click to open it. This loads the Compose window, which is Sprout Social's editor. Here, you can review everything attached to the post, the text, any links, images or videos, and the profiles that are selected to publish. If you created variations for different networks, you'll see them organized so you can edit each version without losing consistency. Make your edits directly in Compose. Update your caption for clarity, tweak hashtags, or refine your call to action. If you're including links, check that they're correct, and consider shortening them or applying tracking if your workflow uses that feature. Replace or reorder media as needed, and add alt text for accessibility where available. Keep an eye on character counts, image aspect ratio recommendations, and any network-specific warnings Sprout provides so your content fits each platform's requirements. Use the preview pane to confirm how the post will look once it's live. If you collaborate with others, leave a note in the message details so teammates know what changed and why. When you're happy with the edits, decide whether to save or schedule. If you're still gathering feedback or waiting on assets, save the post as a draft so you can come back later. If it's ready to go, choose the publishing date and time, or add it to your queue if your team uses Sprout's optimal times or queue slots. Teams that use approvals can submit the edited draft for review instead of sending it straight to the calendar. That's it. Navigate to Publishing, open your draft, refine it in Compose, and then either save it for later or schedule it with confidence. This simple workflow keeps your content organized and your posts polished before they go live.